Top 8 LinkedIn lead generation agencies. Worth it? AnyBiz. LinkedIn has become crucial for B2B networking and lead generation, leading to the rise of specialized agencies. These agencies optimize LinkedIn presence and engagement with prospects. This paper explores their role, tips for selection, and the potential of AI-driven solutions like AnyBiz. LinkedIn lead generation services streamline marketing and sales efforts on the platform. They involve defining target profiles, optimizing profiles, managing content, automating messaging, nurturing leads, and monitoring performance. Agencies help businesses leverage LinkedIn's professional network to expand outreach and generate quality leads efficiently. The role of agencies in LinkedIn: lead generation, strategic planning, profile enhancement, lead identification, outreach and communication, content marketing, analytics, and adjustments. When choosing a LinkedIn lead generation agency, focus on communication and transparency. Ensure they understand your needs and are clear about their methods and pricing. Review their LinkedIn profile for expertise and engagement. Discuss their strategy, tools, metrics, flexibility, and compliance with legal standards. Finding the right LinkedIn lead generation agency can be challenging due to cost, time constraints for setup and strategy adjustments, uncertainty of success, and scalability issues. Thorough vetting and clear expectations are essential for navigating these challenges effectively. LinkedIn lead generation agencies offer pricing based on monthly retainers, performance-based models, project-based fees, or hourly rates. Monthly retainers provide ongoing support. Performance-based pricing aligns incentives with client objectives. Project-based fees suit short-term campaigns, and hourly rates offer transparency and flexibility. Top 8 LinkedIn lead generation agencies. 1. Callbox offers tailored marketing strategies, utilizing LinkedIn and other channels to drive targeted lead generation. With dynamic analytics and real-time adjustments, it ensures maximum ROI for businesses aiming to expand their customer base and attract high-value clients. 2. Ninja Promo specializes in crafting customized LinkedIn lead generation plans, known for its creative strategies that blend brand exposure with meaningful connections on social media platforms. By tailoring content and outreach to target audience groups, Ninja Promo enhances lead quality and conversion rates effectively. 3. Nerdy Joe specializes in LinkedIn marketing, using advanced digital strategies like data analytics and machine learning to target technology and software sectors. Their tailored outreach programs establish direct connections with key customers, maximizing efficiency. 4. Zopto streamlines LinkedIn lead generation for startups and fast-growing companies through cloud-based automation and sophisticated filtering. Its seamless integration with existing sales tech stacks maximizes lead generation efforts with minimal effort. 5. Science is a leading lead generation provider known for its customized services, blending human expertise and technology. Specializing in multi-channel outreach, particularly on LinkedIn, Science excels in systematic methods tailored to the lead's purchasing cycle position, primarily serving B2B companies with complex sales processes. 6. DuckSoup automates LinkedIn engagement for increased lead generation, offering efficiency and scalability to professionals and businesses seeking streamlined outreach. 7. Cleverly leads LinkedIn lead generation with data-driven algorithms and human oversight for optimized outreach campaigns. Renowned for tailored messaging, it's a top choice for startups and small businesses expanding their professional networks. 8. RevNew is a top choice for B2B lead generation on LinkedIn, blending technology and human expertise for effective outreach campaigns. It's ideal for businesses in competitive sectors, achieving positive outcomes with agile responses to market dynamics. Traditional LinkedIn lead generation agencies often come with drawbacks such as high costs, time consumption, limited scalability, and potential for human error. In contrast, AnyBiz offers an innovative AI-driven solution that automates and enhances the sales process with personalized, multi-channel outreach based on cutting-edge artificial intelligence. AnyBiz.io outshines traditional agencies with cost-effectiveness, scalability, efficiency, elimination of human error, and comprehensive features. Its AI-driven approach optimizes lead generation, scalability, and sales productivity, while reducing expenses and ensuring consistency in lead management. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and updates.